Hey YouTubers, Clara here, and on this episode of Clara Marie Vlogs, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some adult gift ideas of what you can get for adults. Some 21 and over, and some a little bit under that age. So, without further ado, let's get into it. A pool table game is the first one I have. Adult board games for adults, of course, yeah. The Wallet Ninja, as seen on TV, adult card games, a beverage warmer, a magic cook product without using fire, gas, or electricity, as seen on Shark Tank, which I will link the site of where you can buy it in the description below. You can also buy it from eBay or Amazon. But anyway, refill heat packets for the magic cook product, a corkscrew kit for bottles of wine for those of you 21 and over, a beer pong game, also same thing, and mini chocolate liqueur bottles with little liqueur bits in it, a toolbox, a tool set, and a tool belt for you handyman around the house, or tool belt divas. So anyway, that's today's video, and I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Pardon my vlogmas. Bye!